Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Arhad Ahmed, a student of Rajshahi University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you how we can make a loan amortization schedule. Now, one question may arise that what is loan amortization schedule? I can say that the loan amortization schedule is a complete table of periodic loan payment, and it's showing also the interest payment and what will be the principal payment and what remains the outstanding balance. So let's start to compute and to make a loan amortization schedule. So let's assume this is an example of loan amortization schedule, and from this information we will compute what is the monthly payment. So if a person or an institution take a loan from a bank or financial institution is 4 lakh at interest rate 6% and for 10 years, and the month payment per year will be 12. So what will be the monthly payment? That means I have to find out the annuity. So from this information, we can find the loan amortization schedule. So to find out the what will be the payment, I have to use a formula, and for this purpose, first of all, I have to put a sign of equal. Uh, then I have to put the formula. Since we are using finding the payment, so I have the formula will be payment. So PMT, payment. Double click on PMT, and we have to maintain this series. First of all, rate of interest, and then need period, then present value, then future value, and type. So first of all, rate. We can see that the rate of early rate of interest is 6%, and the payment per year is 12. So according to the question or requirement, we can say that the rate of interest, the early rate of interest will be divided by the payment per year. That means I by M. Okay. Then need period. So how much month will be paid? It should be calculate. We have so to find the need period, we have to do that number of years will be multiplied by number of per year. That means 10 into 12. So 10 into 12, so a need period is 10 is multiplied by the payment per year, that means 12. Okay, this is the need period. Then present value. Here we can get the present value is 4 lakh. That means the person take loan 4 lakh. So click on 4 lakh. Okay. Then future value. There is no any future value, so future value is 0. Then the type. We assume that we assume that the payment will be paid at the end of the period, so we can add 0. Okay, now I'm closing the formula by giving the last bracket. And if we so if I int so if I click on the enter button, I will find what the monthly payment. So we can see that the monthly payment is 4,440 US dollar. So if a person take a loan of 4 lakh at 6% interest rate for 10 years, and if he paid 12 times a year, then he has to pay per month $4,440. Now, from this information, we have to calculate, we have to compute or make a loan amortization schedule. So first of all, I am selecting the A8 cell and giving the month, and selecting B8 cell and entering the payment. That means it is the monthly payment, and selecting the C8 cell and clicking the interest payment. Okay, then I'm selecting D8 cell and entering the principal payment. That means every installment or every payment, what amount is the principal payment is paid. So principal payment. Okay, and the last one is after first payment, what remain the outstanding balance. That's good. Okay, so first month, at the first of the month, I take 4 lakh loan, so the month is 0 and outstanding balance is 5 lakh. 5 lakh, sorry. So first of all, I have to calculate how many month I have to pay. So for this, first of all, I have to multiply the number of years and payment per year. That means equal the number of years is 10 is multiplied by payment per year. That means 120 month I have to pay installment. So this should be added in the month series. So first of all, I click on cell A9 and click and put as 0. Then click on the next cell, and again I click on the A9 cell, and then I have to go fill option, and then click on series. And after clicking on series, we get a sheet. From here we have to select the column, and step value is 1, since month difference will be 1, and step value, we know that our month total month is 120, so stop value is 120, and then we click on OK, and we find the 120 month result. Okay, so we know that at the first of the month, the outstanding balance is 4 lakh, 4 lakh. Okay, dollar. And at the end of the first month, the first payment, we have to calculate the first payment. So first of all, I have to put the equal sign and the payment PMT. Click on double PMT and rate of interest. We know that the rate of interest is early rate is divided by the payment per year, then net payment period. So net payment period is number of years is multiplied by payment per year. Okay, then present value, we know that the present value is 4 lakh. Okay, click on 4 lakh. Then the future value, there is no future value, so 0. And type, we assume that this will be held at the end of the period, so this also 0. Now I'm closing the formula and click on enter. So I can see that at the end of the first month I have to pay $4,440. And now I want to calculate what will be the interest rate of the payment, then I have to add a new formula. So first of all, I have to put the equal sign, and since this is an interest payment, so I have to use a new formula, that is interest payment PMT, that means IPMT. So click on IPMT, and I have to follow this formula. So from the payment formula and interest formula, there is a one only difference, that is per. That means per month, which for which month we want to calculate the interest rate. The first of all, rate of interest same as the payment rate of interest is 6%. Early interest rate is divided by payment per year, then per, we know that per means per month, for which months we are calculating. So for first month we are calculating, so click on 1. Okay, then need period, we can see that the need period is number of years is multiplied by payment per year. Okay, then present value, we can see that the present value is 4 lakh, so 4 lakh. Then future value is there is no any future value, so add 0 and type also 0. Okay, now I'm closing the formula and click on the enter button. So I can see that from payment 4,440, the interest will be paid 2,000. So the principal payment, what will be the principal payment? So principal payment will be we now can calculate and we have to add a new formula. First of all, add a sign, and since this is a principal payment, so PPMT. Okay, PPMT, then double click on PPMT. So again we have to maintain this series. First of all, rate, that means and from the same method, how we can calculate the interest rate, then payment. So this is in the same category. So after putting the value, I will come back. After input the value, I'm come back. So now I'm click on enter button. So we can see that the principal payment is 2,440. So what remains the outstanding balance? For this, we have to we have to subtract from outstanding balance and principal payment. So first of all, put a equal sign and the outstanding balance and less the principal payment. Since it's negative, so we have to use a plus sign and then click on principal payment, and then if we click on enter button, we will find what remains the outstanding balance at the end of the 1 month. So we can see that at the end of the 1 month, the outstanding balance is $3,97,559. So now if I freeze the condition, that means these v values and click on autofill, then we will find all the value. So first of all, I have to freeze them. So first of all, in front of b we have to use a dollar sign, and after b we have to use another dollar sign, and by this we have to use all of these. So after freezing all the value, then now I am click on enter, and now if we double click on the autofill, then let's see all values are fulfilled automatically. And in the same situation, we have to freeze all of them. Sorry, this is not required. Just interest payment and principal payment should be freeze. So after freezing, I will back. I freeze all the values, but not a, because this indicates the per month. That means for what month I am calculating this. So it is so it will be modified for all month. That's why I am not freezing this. And then if I click on enter and double click on the autofill, then it is automatically filled. And in the same way, the principal payment, I already freeze all of the condition except a, become, and I already say you that what reason behind this. And then I click on enter, and if I click on the autofill, then it will automatically filled, completed. And at the last part, that is outstanding balance, and in here if we click only, there is no any freezing system. So if I click only on the autofill, then it will be automatically calculated. So it will be automatically completed. And we can see that at the end of the 120 month, the outstanding balance is 0. So this is the overall loan amortization schedule, and this is how we can compute and we can make a loan amortization schedule. So thank you everyone for today.